In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sections to Watchlist in Tradingview. Start by opening your charts so you are in your normal Tradingview workspace. With your chart open, head to the right panel where your watchlist lives. This panel is where you'll see all the symbols you track. The goal is to break this single list into clearly labeled sections so you can find things faster and avoid scrolling endlessly. Next, on your existing watch list, right-click on any symbol you already have. From the menu that appears, choose Add Section. This instantly creates a new unnamed section right in your watch list. Sections act like headings or folders that sit inside your watch list, giving you a natural way to group related symbols. Whether that's by market, strategy, time frame focus, or however you like to think about your analysis. To keep things clear, rename that new section. Just right-click on the section's title and select Rename. Give it a name that matches your workflow and helps you instantly recognize what belongs there. Think descriptive and consistent so everything stays easy to navigate as your list grows. Now, start organizing. You can drag and drop symbols into your new section. Click and hold a symbol, then move it right under the section header. You'll see a visual cue showing where the symbol will land. Release to drop it in place. Repeat this for any symbols you want grouped together. This simple drag and drop motion is all you need to tidy up even a long list. When you want a cleaner view, click the small arrow next to the section name to hide or show the symbols inside. Collapsing sections is especially useful if you manage multiple strategies or markets, and you only want to see the part you are working on right now. Expand the section again anytime to bring those symbols back into view. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.